Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the off delay timer in Siemens PLC logo. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. Let's get started. First of all, I will open my logo soft comfort software, and here we will create a new program. Just click it on the add new diagram, and after this interface will be open. As this interface will be open, also there is a two settings, offline settings and online settings. And also in the toolbar you can see this is general hardware type, IO settings, IO names, power program password, power on, message text, additional information, statics, comment, mode bus address space. What you want you have to be selected here. First of all, I will give the name here in the program name section, means off delay timer. And secondly, I will set my IP addresses here 192.168-0-3. And next I will choose my hardware type, and here you have to be select the model number, which model you have PLC. I have that logo 8.1, 8.2, logo 8.SFS4. So I will select this one, can select it from here and click OK, and then click it OK. He says sure it was entered correctly. Okay, this is we have to be set this one, and again click OK, and your program will be created and this interface will be open. In next step, I will take one input address for my timer execution, and secondly we can choose from here the timer sections, that off delay timer. Place it here. If like to font little you like to be big, you can create it, depends on your choice. And one more input I will take, because of there is a two sections, one is for trigger and one is for reset condition. And I will take one more input contact for this is I1, and one second I will take for here I2, and these two signals I will choose for this timer, and this I will give the rename. You can take it from here text, or also you can, if you from here no like to be take, you can double click it on this one, block properties. You can give it here comment. For example, this is start and click OK. You can see if these fonts are too much big, you can just change it on the font format section, and here we can choose the fonts, and here you can change the size. For example, this is I change to 10 for example, and restore to default. No, sorry, this is 10, and click OK. And this again you have to be delete. And now you can see the text size of our changes. You can see this is the now size is changed, and this is we can change for reset. Sorry, this is our for triggering function. Yeah, this is okay. This is for triggering function, and this is second we will for reset. And this is our timer off delay timer. Off delay delay timer. This we can give the name of delay timer. You can place it in anywhere where you like to be set. You can set. And next one output we will be take for. Here you can choose the output input addresses, and this is the output addresses, and output we will take for Q1 for example, and this is our things to be light. This properties also you can comment give here light, for example light I will write and click OK, and this will be right. And to connect this all program, make wiring, you have to be choose this connector tool, and you have to be just click it here and put it the trig function. And next you can choose this one and put it here for a reset. And next you have to be choose this one and connect it with this one Q1. Now almost your program is completed, and now we will download this program to the PLC. Just you can from here you can click it. After also you can choose R plus control plus D, also you can put on download. It's depend on your choice. As this interface will be open and you can click it OK, your program will be started download. Now your program is successfully downloaded, and you can go to the simulation online. If you don't have physical hardware, look like if you don't have physical hardware, you can choose the simulation. Click it OK, and your program will be online running. And here you can see one more thing, we just remote options properties, and here you, if you like to choose for minutes, you can choose this box, and if you like to choose for seconds, you can choose this field. An example, I put for 10 seconds to my off delay function and click OK. And as I give the signal, I will make it small this window, and we can make it this one here, and my camera will be show you in the picture. As I give the signal at I1, after you can see this is output is on, and when I remove the signal, after time will be started. You can see this time is now started, and after 10 seconds our output will be off. Why not in camera my light is run? Because of my power is not on. I make it on my power, and again we will be test. As I give the signal at I0.1, you can see our output is on while input triggered is off. And as this time will be completed for 10 seconds, which we assigned for off delay, our output is off. One more time we will be test. I put this signal I1, and now you can see this input triggered is off, but your output is still on. As time will be completed, output will be off. So hope guys you will be understand about this off delay timer function. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.